Voila!
And welcome to our weekly Between the Lakes 321 Pingcast. These Pingcasts are every Thursday night at 8 p.m. Spanish time and 7 p.m. UK time.
Last week we had a trip down to the International Marina and paid a visit to the newly opened bar, so you'll see what we got up to in a couple of minutes.
We'll be talking about this week's weather
and telling you about exciting, desperate plans to stop young local adults leaving Benijofar town.
We'll also be looking at a couple of your comments and chatting about them, so stick with us until the end.
Well, we're into November now, so the weather has cooled down quite a lot. The temperatures are still in the low 20s, feeling warmer in the sun, but can be a little chilly at night. So you need a little jacket or something when out and about in the evenings or early mornings.
Yes, you do. Last week we cycled down to International Marina in Torrevieja. We knew about a new bar that had opened where Andy's supermarket was, so we called in to see the new owners, Shine and Roy.
They're a lovely, friendly couple who would do their very best to make sure you enjoyed your visit to the bar. We sampled some of their delicious food. Ooh, nice, wasn't it?
It was lovely.
Watch this to see what we had. Right, what a great day we've had today, haven't we?
We've done all sorts, haven't we?
We've been all over the place shooting video for you guys so you can see it later on. At the moment we're just outside El Marinero. So you can see it behind us. It used to be Andy's supermarket. It's now owned by two lovely people called Shine and Roy. We'll have a little word with them later on and ask them what they're doing.
And they've only been here for a month, so hopefully things will look up for them.
Let's have a pork stew, shall we?
We will.
Shall we have a pork stew now?
We'll have a pork stew now.
I'm starving.
Come on then.
So tonight we are having the pork stew. Look at that, like green beans, mash, and nice lovely chunks of pork.
Looks
Absolutely
lovely.
Fabulous. Is that the same as what you've got?
Yeah.
You've got the same?
I've got the same as you.
Can't see. Oh, it's just glinting nicely that on the... Oh, look at the sunset is just catching the meat.
It's just going down.
Marvellous. Right, great stuff. Oh, I'm starving. Okay. That pork's lovely. Nice tender meat. Love the gravy.
Oh, that's tasty, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Danke, Dubai, that's my work. Okay, good. Oh, good. Very nice one.
Yeah, very nice.
Do you like it? Yeah, but I've never seen the yellow. Actually,
Very good.
seen a juice.
Hey,
What
juice,
kind of
yeah.
juice do you like? Orange or
Oh,
melocotton?
orange would be nice for me.
Orange, two oranges.
I'll have the other one, the melon.
Melocotton?
Yes, please.
Perfect.
That's great, thank you. Orange and melon. That's good.
Thank you.
Very nice, thank you. Good healthy food. Mashed potato. Now, here we've got the brand new owners of the El Marinero bar restaurant, would you say?
It's a bar, restaurant, and a supermarket.
Yeah, I mean, it looks fantastic in here. I think you've done a fantastic job. It looks great. I love the wooden furniture you've got. And you've still got the supermarket, which is going to be very useful for the locals.
We decided to retain it because there's quite a fair demand from the hotel apartments.
Yeah.
And a lot of the boats that come in here obviously need certain essentials. So we've modified the stock, and we'll continue to modify the stock, and it will be on, basically demand. If people have something they specifically want, then we will stock it for them.
Yeah, that's great. What else can you tell us? What are you going to do with the place? Are you going to do anything radically different?
For the moment, we need to understand the clientele here.
Right.
Already we've seen different nationalities, and we know the different phases of the year. We need to get ourselves on the map a little bit. It's a little hideaway here. It's a passage for a lot of the people's boats, but outside of that, it's we need to get ourselves known a little bit more.
Yeah. Now, when you come down to the car park from Torrevieja, there it is there, you come across these barriers. Everybody thinks it's a private piece of land, this, and it's not. It's open to the public. They just have the barriers for security for these people that have got the boats and to keep it nice and secure for them. But it is a public road and path, and anybody can come this way. We're going to go down past the yacht brokers.
They have a board here.
There's a board there, look. Opening times, Monday to Friday, 9 till 8, and beyond at the weekend. And that's where we're going. We're going to show you the El Marinero.
El Marinero, what used to be Andy's supermarket.
It used to be Andy's supermarket. Now it's called El Marinero, and it's a really nice. Still got a few supermarket items, but it's just down here.
They've only been open a month.
Yeah, they took it over in October, and doing really well. Just a few steps past that barrier and you get to it here, so don't miss out. Come and have a look.
We like to experiment a little bit more with the cuisine in terms of more Asian, Filipino, Asian, and
Present.
strong British cuisine. We were already, strong on that side of it, but we'd like to experiment a little bit more with the Asian side.
We've just had the pork stew.
Yeah.
Shine's pork stew is magnificent, I can tell you.
Thank you so much.
It really has got a really the gravy, the sauce, very nice. Yeah, very different.
Actually, as I mentioned earlier, as much as I wanted to really make a home cook food for the people to enjoy.
Yeah.
And then at the moment we are like concentrating on 2 dishes. So at least we can give the quality of the food instead of just giving a commercial food for the people to enjoy and love it.
Right.
Yes.
Oh, it was brilliant. And we didn't try the salmon. We'll do the salmon next time.
Yes.
It looked nicer. We've got a picture.
Yeah.
So we'll show you the picture.
Well, actually, that one is like a pan-seared salmon with the mash and with the long beans, and then serve with a white wine or red wine.
Very nice. Brilliant. And good prices as well. Good prices,
and it's a set already. It's 15.50 euros.
Yeah.
And then the pork stew comes with the juice and mash at the same time. It's 14.50.
Right.
Yes.
Excellent. Very good.
And you do breakfast as well?
We do breakfast.
English breakfast
Yeah.
and a selection of omelettes and bocadilla. We bake our own croissants. We bake our own pain au chocolat.
Yeah.
And we bake our own bread as well.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
When they smell that over there in the hotel, I'll come rushing down. I would imagine.
It does. Yeah.
I love the smell of freshly baked bread.
We wanted to invite all of you who's watching right now to come and visit El Marinero in Marina Torrevieja. Marina International.
Don't forget
Torrevieja.
international.
Yes, yeah. Enjoy the terrace with a glass of wine or beer under the sun, and enjoy the sea view in the other side at the same time. And if you feel like to have a grocery, we do have a mini grocery at the same time.
Brilliant.
So we hope to see you soon in our place.
We'd also like to try at some stage to host some of the sporting events.
Yeah.
Is to give a venue for people to come and watch them. We've got some plans for a big screen and
Right.
so we're hoping that we can provide a decent venue for people to come and watch.
Yeah, and also we cater for a small group or like a party, birthday, or whatever occasion. We cater for anything. Yeah, so just give us a PM or like visit us whenever you like to.
Yeah, and we'll put it in the description. We'll put it on the screen just now.
Yeah.
So that'll be there.
And will you be open all year round?
Yes.
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 7 days a week.
Yeah.
7 days a week.
Excellent, hard-working people.
And we are open hand to welcome all of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
366 days a year.
Yeah.
Squeeze another one in.
Yeah.
Right.
So my name is Shine and my husband is Roy, and hope to see all of you soon.
And thank you guys for coming. It's
Yeah.
much appreciated.
No
Yeah,
problem at all.
Really
Yeah.
appreciate it.
We've enjoyed the food. It's been superb.
Yeah.
And I'm absolutely stuffed now. Are you?
I am. Gonna eat another thing.
3, 2, 1. Bing! Adios.
Wow, what a lovely place to go for breakfast or lunch or an evening drink on the terrace while watching the sun go down over the sea.
So if you're down by the International Marina, please call in to the El Marinero and say hello to Shine and Roy and tell them you saw them on our Pingcast.
Yeah. As reported in the Leader newspaper, there is a desperate plan to keep young local people in the town of Benijofar.
It seems that Benijofar's youngsters are packing up and leaving as they can't afford to buy property in the area. So Mayor Luis Rodriguez is offering something unheard of: free land.
Benijofar has turned into a property hotspot for wealthy foreigners, with some luxury villas now selling for up to €700,000. Half of the residents are from Britain, the Netherlands and Scandinavia.
House prices have shot up to over €3,000 per square metre, among the highest in the province. So for locals under 40, owning a home there is little more than a dream.
The council will hand over a 4,500 square metre plot in the centre of town, which will be divided into 30 small lots.
The conditions are you've got to be under 40, already live in Benijofar, and have the house built yourself.
Each home will have to follow the same design rules to keep the look tidy, but the land itself will cost nothing. Instead of land ownership, the residents will get a 75-year lease from the council.
The mayor says we're giving young people a real chance to stay. The plot is right in the centre of town, and just across the street from where the plot is, houses go for €350,000.
The mayor is also in talks with local banks to help secure mortgages, since buyers won't technically own the land. He says the average two-storey home will cost about €150,000 to build.
Before we get to our comment section, if you're enjoying these Pingcasts, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you like our content but have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so, because it really helps us to grow.
It's totally free and it really does help us to reach more people, as YouTube will promote our channel more.
And don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified each time we release new content.
Now, on with the comments.
Let's have a look at some comments from our subscribers and viewers. This first one is from our last week's Pingcast, La Matter.
This is from Andrew. Just a thought. There is a penalty for buying from Lucky guys on the promenade. Does that also apply to these guys on the market? Sometimes they set up shop between the stalls, so difficult to pick out rogue traders.
Good question. We did research this and the answer is no. Lucky men are not permitted to set up stalls on the floor at La Matter Market. Their activity is illegal and often results in fines for both vendors and buyers. They are considered unlicensed and unfair competitors to legitimate shopkeepers. You can be fined up to €200 if you're caught buying from them.
So beware.
Beware.
This one's from Rickard, whose comment was featured in last week's Pingcast. Rickard couldn't get the 360 function to work on his smart TV. After having things explained, he now says, "It works if I skip the Swedish TV box and use the smart TV directly. I notice a bit worse picture quality, but I guess it's hard to get perfect picture in 360. I don't have an old TV and I watch in 1440. Thank you for the explanation."
So, glad you got it working, and it seems the Swedish box was the issue. The picture quality should be great in 1440.
Next, we are going to go to the amazing International Auditorium of Music in Torrevieja to see the now well-established Expo Torrevieja in its 8th year. It's on Saturday the 15th and Sunday the 16th of November. The times on both days is 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. We'll be there to show you what it is like.
Oh, we're so excited about our new e-bikes, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to get out about and explore them and show you what they can do. Our old bikes have now been sold. Thank you, Johnny, for your speedy purchase, and we hope you enjoy them as much as we did.
It was nice to see Harry and Jill, who we bumped into down by the new developments in the harbour.
And also Helen and John. We met them at the El Marinero and then again at the ship. It was great to see you.
Yep, great to see you. Again, we'd like to thank all of you who have given us a super thanks or bought us a coffee. We really do appreciate it, as it all goes into our gear fund, which helps us to keep our production quality as good as we can make it.
On that note, it's time to wrap the 321 Pingcast up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the Pingcast, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the Pingcast. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
Ding!
Adios.
So tune in to our channel, don't miss out. With Mike and Yvonne, we'll show you about between the lakes where happiness flows, cycling through the coast where your adventure grows.